Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. So last week, AT&T decided to kill off the whole data sponsorships and data free HBO Max and DirecTV and whatever else TV streaming app service that they have, and it does count against your data now. So I got a little screenshot I want to share with you all. Just a moment. Once I pull it up, let me see, where is it? All right, let me just go to right here. Boom. So as you can see, this is a recent screenshot. There's no question mark by underneath the data for data sponsors and things like that. And yeah, I haven't been using any data, and I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to show you why. All right, so yeah, this is my prepaid account. The data rollover still works. As you can see, I got 18.3 gigs of data for the month, but only use like roughly 800 megabytes. Okay, so that being said, it's not available anymore. But I do have alternative applications. Okay, so alternative applications that work similar to the data-free sponsorship services and programs that T-Mobile and AT&T used to have, which actually AT&T just got rid of it a week ago, but that's besides the point. So these apps I do recommend users on Android and iOS that are on the AT&T prepaid service that they have roughly maybe 5 to 15 gigabytes of data, or maybe even a 22, where you don't want to use up all the 22 gigs. I recommend trying these applications out. Now, some of them do need like devices, extra gadgets, and I'll put those links in the description box because I've done reviews for these. But the rest of them, all you need to do is download it right from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store. No need to silo these apps. They all work as intended. So no further ado, let's just go to MX Player. Now this is an infamous application for both platforms, iOS and Android, and even the Fire Sticks and Roku's, all that stuff like that. So they have this feature called Smart Downloads. So I say, okay, so if you don't haven't downloaded anything, okay. So what is this feature do for MX Player? All right, so uh, it's basically spending less time managing downloads and more time watching. Smart Downloads gets the next episodes downloaded for you and deletes those you already watched only on Wi-Fi. So in order for this particular thing to work, to download the new episodes of your favorite shows, docu series, you need to have Wi-Fi turned on at first, and then it says how this works. You finish watching the episode you've downloaded. Next time you're on Wi-Fi, the app automatically deletes that episode and downloads the next episode. Okay, then third says once the download completes, you're ready to watch. And does Smart Downloads use my mobile data? No, it only works when you're on Wi-Fi. So that cool feature only works when you're on Wi-Fi. And this is how the MX Player looks. This is the home page. It's free to use. Anything that you download from the browser, or whether like files you have, it will you can see your local. So anything that's like installed on your SD card or your phone storage or tablet storage, it will work without using your data. So that's why I call it data free. It doesn't go against your data. It won't kill your data. It's already pre-installed on your device, and all you gotta do is just watch and sit back and watch. Okay, so MX Player I do recommend. Now this other app is called Magic TV. Okay, the Magic TV application, you will need the antenna adapter. You can get these from eBay. I'll leave a link in the description box. I did a full review on this. This gives you live TV, local live TV for free without using your Wi-Fi or your data. You just need this little gadget device with you. It's a portable device, and you can download the app for free on iOS and Android, and you can watch your live TV data free. The next one is similar setup. It's called ClearstreamTV. ClearstreamTV basically it lets you watch local TV for free and data free, stuff like that. And you can actually record live TV. So it's basically a free DVR on your phone, but of course, the device has to have storage. And I recommend anybody that's trying to do these, I recommend anybody to have at least 128 gigs of onboard storage on your mobile device, or have a backup as an SD card. All right, have a backup as an SD card, or have a device with 128 gigabytes on up. I do not recommend anybody with 64 gigs on down to use these particular apps because it acts to download. All right, while you're on Wi-Fi. But once you get off Wi-Fi, boom, you can put it in airplane mode and see if the stuff works, and it'll work. I did plenty of videos about this. I leave all those links in the description box, and you can read the article as well. Now, the next application is not necessarily a movie app per se, but it's called Opera Mini Browser. All right, so the Opera Mini Browser will save you up to 90% of your mobile data. Another way you can find this out is you go to this little Opera app icon at the bottom, and it shows you how much data you save. So you can still stream movies and like videos from the web, whatever. You can still browse. You can browse the web, and you can just tap on an article, and you can just read or whatever like that. You can share the links to your WhatsApp, your Facebook account, whatever like that, and then go back home, and then you can check it again, see how much data you saved, how much data you used. You can even look at that and show you that you used up, you saved 19% of data. Even gives you, different options of the data and everything like that. Also, you do have an offline access button, so you can show screenshots, all this offline without using data. Okay. Not only that, let me go here. Offline news. So there's a button for offline news where you can read articles. As you can see, it says download the latest news and enjoy them with no internet connection. So this is another way to, for like I said, the data consumption users, data saver users, people on the data plan that's budget doesn't have fully unlimited access to the internet. These applications will help you save save money and help you save your data to make it stretch out for the rest of the month or week or however you want to go. Another application that will let you data free is called Plex. Now, Plex, in order to download the actual movies and stuff, you will need a Plex Pass account. Now, that's not 100% free. The minimum is $4.99 a month for the Plex Pass account, but they do offer offline and downloading Zinc. As you can see, you can even open up video files that's right on your mobile device, and you can just use this application to view movies and TV shows right from the Plex app. All right, this is just another alternative for those of you all from AT&T prepaid or anybody on a data budget plan. They want to save money and don't worry about unlimited data stuff. Now, I've told you guys about these next two. I got plenty of videos about these next two. Haystack News and PlayOnCloud. So Haystack News has a offline. Let me pause this real quick. Okay, so Haystack News has this offline section. You have to scroll. They have a live section, watch history, watch offline. As you can see, they even got picture-in-picture mode. So all this stuff right here, I can watch offline. It will not go against my data. Just let you guys know. Also, here's the settings. So you go to watch offline. Okay, you go to watch offline. You can set a timer. All right, you can set a timer to when you want to download, when you want to offload the top news stories video wise, and you can watch that whether it's your local news or just global news, anything like that. You can set a timer, and it will offload those top news stories, and you can watch that on your commute, on a bus, on a train, plane, airport. You're at a dinner table. You just out and about with family and friends, and yeah, so this definitely works. As you can see, it says how it works. Your daily headlines download includes a playlist of news that can be used without network connection. Useful for commutes, like I just mentioned, or watching videos on the go. Schedule your daily downloads will only operate over Wi-Fi. The same process as MX Player. All right. Also, this is also data free. PlayOnCloud. Yes, PlayOnCloud is a cloud DVR, a very affordable one. I may add. They have a new deal now where you're only spending like $2.99 for 50 hours worth of DVR selection and collection and stuff like that. So these are the channels that you can record for offline access, and they do have HBO Max included and Paramount. All right, and I think this new one, Acorn TV, I think that's new. I haven't seen that. They even got Peacock. So they have a great selection of channels and networks that you can use and offload to watch data free TV and movies. As you can see, I will show you. It might not show my recordings, but yes. So here are my recordings, and I can watch all this offline. Okay, so I can watch this all without touching my internet, without touching my data, anything like that. All these episodes and movies and TV, wherever I have on my account, I can watch that without hurting my data. And like I said, you could go to settings and you go to download options. So you could do the auto download on Wi-Fi. You could allow downloads on cellular data if you choose to. You could auto download on cellular data, and then you can restrict downloads to off peak. All right, but it does not go against your data. I forgot what it said. Like, yeah, okay. All right, here it goes. So it's auto downloads will only occur over Wi-Fi unless auto download on cellular data is turned on. Things that so enable downloads on cellular data in order to allow manual downloads of recordings without Wi-Fi. Okay, the warning says this allows users to automatically download recordings to their device using cellular data. It is intended for use with an unlimited data plan for that auto download on cellular data. It is not recommended for most users. And then a restricted download peak, it says ideal for those with limited internet during peak times, like satellite internet customers. Schedule when your downloads occur. You will need to leave the PlayOnCloud app open and your device plugged into during off-peak window for downloads to occur reliably. And then they give you times. And also, cool feature is you can add it to your SD card. All right, so you can add the downloads to the SD card, so it won't go against your data. All right, that's just another way of looking at it. And like I said, go ahead. I even write down a list in the article. So check out the link in the description box. And yeah, guys, that is my collection of alternatives to the HBO Max and DirecTV data-free TV streaming. All these applications are legit and legal and 100% free on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store if you got iPhones and iOS. But let me know which ones are your favorites, which ones are your top picks. Get that thumbs up. Please share with your family and friends. Let them know that if they're an AT&T prepaid customer or AT&T customer period or any type of budget phone plan customer, that these are your most reliable applications to get data-free movies and TV and even music. If you use the Opera Mini browser, you could download music right from the browser, and you won't have to worry about music going against your data. But music doesn't really go against your data. And like I said, I'll show you guys again with my settings, my data usage one more time, what I've been doing on data usage. All right, so we're at 773 megabytes of data use. So this is for the news cycle. Like I said, I only use roughly 800 megabytes, and as you can see, these only applications using data. Only applications using data. I'm just showing you guys for example. All right. So yeah, that's how you check your data usage. You go through your connection, then you go through mobile data usage and things of that sort. Not only that, but another great reminder to check your real mobile data usage from the actual website. From the actual website of your mobile plan, your mobile account. All right, that's how you know how much data you're actually using. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did this alternative help you? Did you know about these apps? Are you using these apps? Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks.